Hey guys, it is the 20th of December and we have this SIL 30mm from Nick. And I have tried this, I don't know how many times by now, but I have yet to open it. Would really like to open it though. Let's see. Actually, I want to try tinting like this. See if that does anything. Maybe, I think one of the only things I haven't tried is a relatively deep hook. Don't think it can go in there, can it? Now we can try. Yeah, that's too deep. Maybe a medium hook? Going back to tinting normally. Ah, there we go. Man, I have been trying to get this one open for a long time now. Oh, sorry, I just had to take that ring off of it. Oh, almost knocked over something. There you go, Nick V. Second lock of yours picked. All right, on the tree with the 20th lock. And we put it there. Wait. Get in with ya. Oh, that's because the nail is bent. Okay. 20 locks on the tree. I have to get a little further away. We only need 4 more and then the series is done. Alright. So far so good, everyone. 4 more days and it's Christmas. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.